Chanti, do you have hiccups? Chanti, Chanti, hiccups? Do you want to speak? Speak? Say I love you? I love you? Say I love you. Say I love you. Hey, you say I love you? Speak? Hey, I love you? Chanti, say I love you. I love you? Hey, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Do you want to say I love you? Do you want to speak? Speak! 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 Oh my God. I love you? Just want a treat? Treat! I love you? Speak! Chanti, speak! Speak! Sit. Hey, I love you. Chanti, I love you. Say I love you. Can you say I love you? Can you speak? Speak. Chanti, speak. 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 Ruff. Speak. 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 Do speak. Ah. Oh. You just farted. Speak. Oh, good dog. Speak. Speak. Chanti, speak. 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 Good dog. Say I love you. Say oh, good dog. Say I love you. Oh, wow. Wow. Say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. I love you. Ah. I love you. All right. This one's for Abhijit. Ready? Speak. Speak. Oh, that's a good dog. That's such a good dog. Oh, that's a good dog. Give me a kiss. 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 Oh.